Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you delicious chicken recipe with two type of chicken masala. One is homemade chicken masala and other is ready-made chicken masala. It's a unique style recipe and easy to make. For making this recipe, I have taken 750 grams chicken. I have washed it, 4 onions, 5 green chili and 20 to 25 cloves of garlic. Firstly, chop the onion and the green chili by using chopper. Then add the cloves of garlic. One more time, chop it like this. Keep aside the chopped vegetables and some curd for later use. Add the chopped onion, green chili, garlic and a big teaspoon salt along with a tablespoon oil into the chicken. Next add 2 tablespoons curd. Grasp and mix well. Taste of chicken depends on the marination and the grasping, so grasp and mix well. Keep aside for 30 minutes to marinate it. Next I will prepare a homemade chicken masala which is good for any type of chicken recipe. Into a small kadai add 2 tablespoons coriander seed, a big stick of cinnamon and a cardamom, 20 black peppercorn. Keep stirring and roast over low flame until it's fragrant. Then allow it to cool. Grind it coarsely like this. Next I am going to mix 4 different spices together. Take 4 teaspoon chicken masala and 2 teaspoon previously prepared masala, 2 teaspoon mixed red chili powder for nice color and 1 big teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix all the 4 spices together in a small bowl because we are going to pour it into hot oil. Next turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 3 tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, reduce the heat and pour the spices. Turn to low heat and stir continuously for 30 seconds. Then add the marinated chicken. Over medium to high heat, stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Give a good mix and well combine. Mix well and keep stirring to let it heat evenly like this. Turn to medium low heat, put a lid, cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, take out the lid. By this method, you can make the chicken more juicy and tender. One more time, give a good mix and well combine. We have added all the spices earlier, so we are not going to add anything else. If you are using pressure cooker, then cook until 3 whistles. But if you make this recipe in open pot, then this recipe will be more tasty. To make it more nutritious, you can use a earthen pot. Give a good mix, then put a lid and cook for 20 minutes over medium to low heat. Then take out the lid and here you can check it whether it is well cooked or not. If you are serving with roti, luchi or chapati, then no need to add any extra water. At last turn to high heat and cook for 2 minutes. See, our yummy chicken recipe is done. It looks so appetizing and this recipe is quick and easy to make. It pairs well with roti, millet bhakri, white steamed rice. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.